I'm going to be showing y'all how to put these lights on that I ordered off of eBay. They're pretty sweet little lights. They come with these stencils that you got to cut out and tape onto your body line, and you mark it out. So I'm going to get to that. There's plenty of videos on how to put these lights on. I just decided I was going to do it. That paper I showed y'all, I done trimmed it out on this one. But all you do is you just match up your body line. Real nice and easy, real simple. Not a lot to it. Go like so. Now mind you, I watched another video of a guy doing this, so that's how I know how to do it. I'm nobody special. I'm actually going to scoot it over just a little bit. Dang. Ripped on me right there. Not liking that right there. I'm liking that better. I guess that's right. It feels right. It looks right. So hopefully it's right. That body line right there. I guess it's supposed to be above the body line a little bit. I don't know. The edge on the front of the cowl. Yeah. So it says this line up with edge on the front of the cowl. So that's pretty much the front of the cowl right there. That's what we're going to do right there. We're going to run that. All you do now is you take your marker, you just mark that outline like so. Now in the video I watched, the guy, his stencil, you just flipped it over and it did the same thing. It had the markings on the back side, but these particular lights that I bought come with two stencils. So I got to do mine a little different than he did. Mine actually ripped right there, so I'm glad I pulled that tape off. It ain't gonna matter. I mean, it matters, but it ain't gonna matter that much. It would have made my hole a little smaller. Had to clean it out some. That's that. That body line right there looks good. I'm gonna cut this first one just to make sure I'm good before I mark out the next one, because if I gotta make any adjustments, slipped in. So there ain't nothing behind that. I'm gonna drill a hole with a hole saw right in here on the corners, and then I take my saws off. Now, the guy I seen do it used a router. I'm not sure if I got one of them, so I'm just gonna use this hole saw and the sawzall. Pretty handy with the sawzall. That's that. Now I'll just connect the holes with the sawzall. You can see right here, I gotta trim it a little more, a little high on my line. See if this headlight fits in there now. That's it, like so. Fits like a glove. I like it. It's gonna be a real nice addition. And so that's that. Put screws in, wire it up, repeat the process on the other side. Alright, I got the stencil cut out. Now some of these lights you buy online, the stencil's already cut out. With this particular set, I got them on Amazon. They was like $54. I like that clubcar sticker I got on Amazon as well. $13. Alright, so that's it. That's how you install your club car DS headlights. If you're gonna do it, you want to be careful, because it's a one shot deal. I mean, if you mess up the hole, you could be messing up your body, and it's gonna be hard. I know when I was looking for bodies for this golf cart here, they were ranging anywhere from $100 to $500, depending on what I found on Marketplace. I found this body here. I bought another roller for $250 on Marketplace. It had 10-inch rims on it. I just got the tires mounted on them rims. I like the way the front end has turned out thus far. I'm gonna finish wiring this up. I'm gonna show you what they look like turned on. That'll be it for the headlight install video. If you like this kind of stuff, look at my other videos on this golf cart, and you can see the evolution of it from start to finish. What it looked like when I first got it. I'm gonna make a update video with when I get it completely done. The facelift, if you will. But yeah, I really enjoyed this, and the kids love it. And for what I got in it, I got $1,600 in it. So maybe 17. But I'll do all that breakdown at the end of the other video. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.